Good evening. I welcome you all for the today's session about ARM microcontrollers registers. So here we are going to discuss about the types of registers in ARM microcontroller. A default, we know very well about the common two types of registers like general purpose registers and special purpose registers. So here we can see the ARM7 registers like which is a load and store architecture, where if you want to perform any data processing instructions, then first the data has to move from processing a memory store into a set of central registers. Then the data processing instruction has to be executed, and then the data again stored back into the memory. The central set of registers or a bank of 16 registers from R0 to R15. Each of these registers is having 32-bit wide, whereas R0 to R12 are user registers and R13 to R15 having some special functions, where R13 is called a stack pointer, that is SP, and R14 is called linked registers LR, SP, LR and PC. SP stack pointer, LR is linked register, and PC is the program counter. Okay, these are the types of registers. And here we can see the user, what are the modes like user mode, FIQ and IRQ, SVC mode, undefined mode, thumb mode and thumb 2 mode. So user mode is a normal mode which has the least number of registers. It doesn't have SPSR and has limited access to CPSR. Then FAQ and IRQ are the two interrupt caused modes of the CPU. SVC is nothing but supervisor mode, that is software interrupt mode of the processor, and undefined mode traps when illegal instructions are executed. This is a 32-bit mode. And thumb mode is just 32-bit data divided into 16-bit and increases the processing speed. Okay. These are all the types of mode like CPSR, SPSR, and the reserved registers are used for specific functions like SPSR and CPSR contain the status control bits which are used to store the temporary data, which is used to store the temporary data. The SPSR and CPSR registers have some properties that are defined operating modes, interrupt enable or disable flags, and ALU status flag. The ARM core operates into two states, that is 32-bit states or thumb states, right? So the LPC2148 microcontroller is a widely used microcontroller from the ARM7 family. It is manufactured by Philips and added with many inbuilt peripherals, which is also it more efficient, and also it is more reliable for both beginners and high-end developers to learn and research. Okay, so this is a format syntax format of the registers like 15 users plus some program counter, and the stack pointer is a register called a stack inside the processor, which stores the instruction in which it is going to be executed. And also many registers like PC or 15 and LR or 15, all the types which we have discussed in the previous slide, SP, LR, PC, all those are main general purpose registers. And the Cortex microcontroller programming in this registers, it runs the IDEs such as KLU, Vision 3, then Vision 4, then COCUX and so on. These are the bits, and here you can see they are connected with by assemblers, which converts the language from high level into language. And microcontroller use 8-bit instructions, and the COM Cortex M uses a 13-bit 32-bit instructions, right? And this is all about our registers in microcontroller, ARM microcontroller. So whatever devices may be either in processors or in controllers, we can see even in processor, even in controllers, registers here are like two types, that is general and special function. Thank you.